oko sign a contract at my half year club for 2 years after saying waba Simba FC area and on a contract I was Simba abewie. He was 24 2019 until 29 years old, versatile defender is set to join Asante Kotoko.
That guy is very hard tackler. He is
on Ablo.
Asante Akosi. Very popular in Tanzania.
On Ablo. Ni subana is Ablo na.
Dani Ajima Prempena Edion.
On Ablo na nam sa kwamba.
Aggressive.
Yeah. Wo bemem. Tuntumo we dina so fa enko mu a. Mo fa me catch us Asante Kotoko air plan say center back our versatile. Omo de meba. Obo DM ebo we. Na no na
ebi wo sa ebi wo.
Over. Na so somebody me bo 6. Obetimi abo right side, obetimi abo left side nyina. Edu de adin obebo. Nti ofa. De da hono no nti Kotoko wie recruitment ni mienu ba. Over obi u kotumi akotumi yie. Wa be kot. Me nka se wasane.
Waka wasiso.
Me de me say wa ba be duru Ghana.
Yeah, me kwambusa ma okan.
Nra na owo stadium. Ofa we ye den. We oberhe bo ni bi. Me de atoa so se ofa. Okopie mu wo eye Kotoko clubhouse ho.
So sisi aye kase o clubhouse.
That's okay.
Nti wona.
To the clubhouse wona okoda nra. Ofa nchiremu no ye se enkomo ekoso. Ankomo ye de ekoso. Ndi Kotoko be fa bi aka ho.
Okay.
Na riafe de ne ne egusu di akire. Over there say. Nse me asem ne kesi bebi aminimu o. Wo de bi ko kan wo de e wo asem. Nti o kina bi se da sori no man sign na. Unimi ni asem bi aka. Because me nyante so why medical. Me betena aka so of why medicals ana meboa. Because me nya information bi aso why medicals. The minim na but matured. Over. The bottom line is he's a matured player. One thing a common or transfers in me say they are going for players omujidi some ready for the job. Of Ambajwati. Omranti omujidi se mprempre nyenye adwuma no betimi ani sesi ya de ama club. Enye omo a yembe so yemfin yenso yemfin. Coach Ogum ne na penkra nyina ofa. Omo nyina ka ni pense last season January transfer no manye ne yie. Omo di tumi so manye ne yie. Last year na mko fa kote ne eye Fatao Safi by Safi wentimi amba over ade ani jigu ye no. So this season Kotoko ucheke last season a kabe 8 matches to end the first round. Kotoko she Midiama or she Legon Cities. Unto she Midiama 1-0. Mukwala penalty. Or she Legon Cities 3-1. Or be she Brekum Chelsea. Or she Haas. Or New Olympics ball draw. Or she RTU. Eko she Bofo. And a FA Cup over. Or she Gold Stars. Into 8 matches. And Sunny be first round over. Kotoko win 7 ball draw 1. And he again said summer test the under hawk Kotoko betuno. But poor transfer am at the energy green. So this season Kotoko ase Adriana wase future stars wase Haas wakose dreams wabese gold stars oni medium about draw wase vision and wase accelerate into 8 matches just like last season. Last 8 Kotoko win 7 a ball draw 1 no. First round in Saberi Kotoko ase win 7 about draw 1. But in penny first omo made 2 omo last season be a day NC. So matured and ready-made players. Ye did say udi omo shemu afa and omo di omo ba be ye adwuma.
Was say I know him. His style of play is like Kojo Asamoah. Akosi Asante based in Accra, Lakeside Estate. We normally call him Bibio.
Yeah, Bibio.
Obede kase ya.
Just from Poma
Facebook for no. Me the pictures ama Facebook for no.
Oh, okay.
Ti omunya na fast. To obede kase ya na
from me to say here. Me fast non confirm say onu. We fam dey say no fam non ka say onu avanti.
Mo say picture the ba on Ghana for me bi na picture. Mo say no more Tanzania.
Okay.
Nti on the picture Ube say on so kind Nicholas Jan.
Yeah.
Nicholas.
Yeah. Nicholas Jan.
James Scotty.
And yeah, mekano.
No the sentiment omuni. Ditino. On omuni.
Say Nicholas ni.
On a shame finfi no. Akosi ni on a shame finfi.
Yeah, meka say Nicholas na wo say. Yeah, no dwarfs no.
No dwarfs.
Yeah.
and a quote in Sunni until on the same film. This are the guy.
Simba.
Some boss Simba.
But the picture about Kunsaba.
The decision is that they are going for matured players. Matured players are in praying on the same one Janeko. Now, some men call the profile, so the American is a versatile. We bring Kuma. Now, according to the editor, they may can't the editor in Pepe me here in the video. One, with me boss a left winger. It was almost a seminal. Me shall see so me can left wing. Say and we pianko a chile dear. So based on the profile, to boss a left winger, and with me boss as a defender over the left side. Versatile, and you almost say as audition in so a versatile player to experience, versatile and well traveled. South Africa about 4 teams, and what called Tanzania. South Africa on the Oyadia, Tanzania for it to be found, and on the Ablo, it could be a grow kakra, it will Guinea. Guinea recommendation. Abenti offer say, and when you are that sorry. Nasa what test Asante Kotoko, pow. Eya branch ye bi say won toma eya ma enyo wanwa eno so account omo yo no so a Kotoko training on Thursday and Friday, not 2 players after some ball Ajete Daniel Ajete once am camp Wiafe there was another player friend Mohammed onso friend Mohammed influence on training. So those 2 players are still there. However, if you're China, if you're China, whether they will be part of the team or not will be made known because if I'm young and when said the technical team at the decision on players are here justified. No, IMC and it may be and when we be Tiam and also, but maybe I may pay boy waiting you. Na info back we buy any so na me say we have the no so to say no me so baby ad info na koduru ho nti so no so be twa to no ade no so there's a confirmation that the decision of the technical team on the players justifying them handing it over the IMC ma me nim say we na be bom no and e ba be sesa nkomo no or not but for me there minyanka Kotoko fa be omo fa 4 ni nyina nkeye of 4 in because it's a long season. There was 17 matches at now. FA Cup yan and then Chairman K5 se Kotoko nje double over. FA Cup how many matches? I can round 16, round 8, 4, that's semi and final. No so you 4. Into the 17 matches now 21 matches. If only Kotoko beat me then at a double. And you should be consistent and competitive in all the matches. So remain consistent, remain competitive in all. If you want to do well, and you can do that if you have a deep squad. Of a choir, one in the past squad be but could pray and a breach abo. Na kwami poku say. Once I better one come on I call from because in 5 matches, was a 4 goals. So in 4 matches, was a 5 goals. The ratio no cry even higher than that of Albert Amwa. Of about what in common I said. Good. Enti enye won so masem. Way through the way shame. Now Boama nyoma akoye.
So he is very strong and very skillful. I see you do can't compete him. I know. The munya botre, but Mr. Mo, mama menya diwi. Sa me me person said the ana franeka no. Is it a matter of Kotoko na mabreno? Ana mo na mo Kotoko no because comment na me read no I said there ya betra ha ya be full lines ya to me. Oh, Kotoko nsani bi nkan Kotoko nsani. Ya me adom no obi di na ne koyete training ground ko who play and so a. No wa try out one ha o ko jire kickback. Oni say oni player oni no.
Debi minimum no.
Oni be ofro.
Minimum be bia.
Enti me ana comment do am timi hwa na masra.
Oba minimum be.
See ya house dey say anka ya pa wunya Kotoko dey say ya.
And then numre say nipa be me a course of amaye. On say me say.
Me say
pie ba ku say sia because offer I needed to get to the name not need no penile thing. And the anka na e bo na need no open need an obre. but God being so good yet me and na per the promise no of a boss and buy na akwese say mbodin ba akopɛ ahanti na me bo asante ne pɛ because I promised the person say I'll just mention one name what you say but I said me bo asante ne the profile na kan one go for hu na say I just tell you na say bo full name. So let's see what will happen, whether Kotoko will really sign the players or not. But that is the story. Over. And then your you should be waiting on the Kotoko official pages because there will be more names on Betme. Look out for Nana Bobo Kotoko Ejiramo Abuono over Hana or Metme Chamagu Kakra.
Sir, Zach.
Yeah.
I'm saying I'm in fact Kakra.
More fillers. Before we book no, you didn't come more fillers. Yamia Marchana. So ready to intend Dakobako.
Yes.
Intend Dakobako. It's a better fridge. Now, but no one Abema and come with other picture not to saw no one. Tinka, or met me to saw my faster. You will see, he's a strong guy. How near or height.
Or height,
or height, but
Bibio. Yeah. It's a lady now, my friend from Madianas,
or a left footer. But the son and nobody can. I don't want to say almost a versatile.
Okay.
I'm not surprised almost a versatile because the height, no. As I say, it's a bit more center back. Tino what I say.
Okay.
With the height, no. As I say, he can play a center back. So I left for the center back now. You know. And see, they are saying, say, made a report I've gathered from he's a very experienced into no one knows what watch it. Watch it. He's a very experienced guy based on the report now. Omode Amaya. And you know, let's hope say Tino the guys there he comes in and because Andra on the team no call every Babayaro, not the team in the bathroom. You poor match no.
Okay. Not
a team Kotoko team bathroom. This is information that is me man on the ground now me say Odi play nene Kotoko penyi no. Or now me say na Odi or no man kwatena bathroom and omo call a friend saying clubhouse wa and the obeys were clubhouse and Tino we are getting a friend saying we are getting the
Papa fridge machine a channel papa we share sister now.
Yeah. Oh watch another floor.
Ninya almost see back as you na so akwa idea you no be.
Oh there be say na adwuma dey na you know these are things that
sometimes
you know it's good say reduce transfer stage yeah.
Program na wa yeah.
You know
tell me say me house this year measure.
Na yeah. Nti be try say house so you be for so.
Good.
Na ochina dey more
Update
aba na bibia.
So Wafa, I think we also need a playmaker like a Nim Kujo type who is skillful, potential to dazzle fans and entertain as well as drain attack. Currently we only have one, which is Baba, who is not doing exactly that. We need a skillful playmaker. Chris Bell, Daniel, Chris, and your bad mum, Nyabako, Bema fans, no, and your Jiwo a year, I must say yes. Miniabar was ever be who was a Clementino. It's true. You can ask Awa Muhammad of Kotoko. He always play with him in Lakeside Estate, Accra. He's very strong. Joyce from Poma. Okay, Joyce. And that's what that's the entry. Why says there. I'm kind of so. Musu munya register no. Just a Kotoko register na dey okay. Right. Edin crack.
German say officer sa place on we nya nka mu first kan nka mu no mfonko ba ashikwe. Olympics boy no.
I don't know is kasema na Olidia no.
Yeah, me nyankom. Honestly me nkom and I think that you be come na ahwe na bibia ye tino ochine ba me se me ka cha no yo bebre
but mo share no pass 60 the more e be bremba for now there 0536161607 0201941461 so je bi mo nyina no ne you are on board on Facebook Michael Agment do obian Kofi as usual kodwo pen amemfa kakra na hello good evening. Me bajo udi o menia
bajo praise usuna bombe
yo kwajo
ya majuma so
juma dase
has the as a be on time, your man send the account.
Be mantina na me kra make say bi ba me hit ni nyina mampa be my dear. E bia no munya gidigidi bia sa.
My son
Oh, sir, e bia coach ni gini die ni dia hia so besa bebre. Oh.
no more.
Asamo, we are very fine. Right. What else you that's a familiar. Okay, you got another line. Hello, good evening.
Clementino Kalimbo.
Oh boy, give me